position for this dance? What's the first position of this dance? Then what's the second position? You move to the back. Then you what? Sway. Your right leg at the back. Then you sway. Everybody, sway. Right? Sway. Right? Say it.
Sway.
Sway. Tigege tap. Tigege tap. Right? Tap. Everybody. Then you add the hand. Tap. Tigege tap. Tigege tap. What is abula? What does abula mean? And where is abula? Where did it come from? Tigege ja, right? Tigege ja. Tigege ja. Abula méjì. Bàkan. Abula méjì. Bàkan. Abula mẹ́ta. Abula méjì. Fúrádìjà. Kèmpá kẹ̀kẹ́ síkẹ́. Síkẹ́. Boom.